show you how we can quickly fill series of numbers in a few seconds. Regularly, we must put in our rows these numbers 1 and 2. After that, we go into the right corner and drag it down. As you see, we can fill our cells, and it will take a lot of time. As you see, our numbers are running down from 1 to the numbers that we want to get. As I said, I have one of the tricks to reduce our time to get our aim. We need to go to the Home tab. We go into the Editing section. We select Fill and Series. And the series, we need to select columns because we want to run in the column A from the top to the bottom, and we select linear, step value by 1, and stop value. This is the if I can use this word like a criteria. If I want to make 60 to get 60,000 numbers, I need to put this number here. After that, I'm going to click OK, and as you see, I will show you in the end of our sheet this criteria is working, and we get our 60,000 numbers in one sheet in 1 second. This is very good trick to use in our working. Thank you for the watching. Subscribe my channel, and have a nice day.